Hi, this is Sandhya, and here's a little stretch for you to help relieve sciatica in the hip area. It's a yoga pose, and it's called pigeon pose. So you come on all fours with the hands underneath shoulders, knees underneath the hips, and then you bring the left knee forward, just in front of the just behind the left wrist, and then you extend the right leg back. You might be just up here, that might be enough. You might find it useful if you stick a cushion underneath. If you can, lower the hips down. We don't want it to be pinching in your lower back, so if it is, come forward slightly. And if you're not already feeling the stretch in the hip area, begin to lower the torso down. And then holding for 5 breaths, a deep breath in, deep breath out, deep breath in, deep breath out, deep breath in, deep breath out. 2 more, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And then lifting your self back up onto all fours. And the other side, right knee comes just behind the right hand, and the left leg extends back. Remember, you can pop a cushion underneath there if your hips don't lower down enough. The back knee should be happy. You might hold it there for 5 breaths, or you might lean forward slightly. We inhale through our nose, exhale through our mouth. And you can focus the breath on the tight area of the hip. 2 more breaths, inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, exhaling, then bringing the hands back up, and then back up onto all fours. Allow the knees to open, toes together, and sitting back on your heels, resting the forehead down with the arms extended, or resting the forehead on the forearms. And gently coming up. Let me know how you get on with that, and if you like these videos, I can make some more for you. Have a great day. Bye.